That's the sound of your wieners getting smashed and a countdown to a complete cooler slushdown. Ugh. So how about a cooler that doesn't need ice? This is the Chillis, the solar-powered cooler that cools without ice. Let's face it, coolers are outdated. They waste space, get your food soggy, are hard to move,
Oh, come on!
and make it impossible to find anything.
Babe, I can't find my wieners!
And that's because they use ice, and ice sucks. So we at GoSun created a cooler that didn't need ice. We called it Chill. It's Chill as So we put it on Indiegogo, raised some money, delivered to over 1,000 backers, and got a ton of awesome reviews. But that wasn't enough for us. We wanted to be Chillis. We added more features and improved on the ones that everyone loved. The Chillis is awesome at getting things cold and keeping them there. Control exactly what temperature you want from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and get it down in less than 30 minutes. If only my mother-in-law can chill that fast, that'd be great. 2 separate compartments now let you fridge and freeze simultaneously, so you can enjoy your ice cream and your beer. Refreshing. Chillis features an internal battery that lasts up to 10 hours. Supplemented with an external battery that lasts up to an additional 30 hours, and you got 40 hours of chill time. Then there's the solar table. It attaches to your Chillis and provides solar power of up to 25 watts of energy. So, as long as there's sun, you're charging fun. Not enough sun where you're at? Take some vitamin D and plug Chillis into your car. Chillis could run on a 12 volt or an AC adapter, so you can still chill with all your pasty friends. Best of all, the Chillis is ridiculously energy efficient, only using 45 watts of power. To compare, a blender uses 500 watts, a microwave uses 1200, and my mother-in-law goes off the charts. We increased the storage space to 45 liters. That's 60 beer cans. Added organizational containers so you can easily find everything you need.
I found my wieners, babe!
Mounted an optional shade to keep you and your pals nice and cool. Chill, dog. And add Bluetooth speakers. Pretty cool feature. Pretty chill feature. Plus, you can control everything from your phone. Siri, time to chill out.
Chilling out.
Still not sure about us? Go ahead and ask these people whether or not we deliver. Or go check out one of these reviews for the chill.
There is so much room. I have yet to fill it to full capacity.
Kept cold while we traveled all over Alaska on a week camping trip.
It cooled down from 69 degrees to 22 degrees in less than 30 minutes.
We're GoSun, and for the last 8 years, we deliver quality products that let you enjoy the outdoors without limits. The Chillis is the latest addition to our solar kitchen and integrates with all our other products, so you can cook, cool, clean, and brew wherever you want. It's time you dish the ice. Back our campaign now and chill out with the Chillis.
When you first open up your Hot Water On Demand H2 Oasis, along with the manual you should find included the pump, a 6-foot non-kink silicone hose, a standard shower head, a handy hose storage bag, and a multi-directional shower head bracket. To assemble the unit, start with the pump and hose assembly. It's very important that when you immerse the pump in the water, the label saying "this side up" remains facing upwards. To connect the hose to the unit, pull back the top slightly like a garden hose and attach it to the inlet, making sure it clicks into place. Take the power supply cable for the pump and plug it into the DC port labelled pump on the back of the unit. Next, screw in the base of the shower head to the silicone hose until it's finger tight. Take the other end of the hose and attach it to the outlet point. To attach the shower head bracket, unscrew the end cap and separate the two pieces. Place one end on the shower head point, fit the other end on, and screw the locking cap onto the back to tighten. Loosen the cap to adjust the shower head to the desired position, then tighten to lock into place. We always recommend to use Coleman Lightweight LPG. Take the bottle and align it with the underside of the regulator and screw it on until it's finger tight. Now the unit is ready to operate. To ignite the unit, it's a simple 3-stage process. Firstly, turn the unit on. This will engage the pump and allow water to flow through the shower head. Once the water is on, push the ignition knob in slightly and rotate anti-clockwise to the ignition point, and then push in firmly. You should hear a clicking ignition sound. You'll see the green light flashing, and once the flame is lit, it will turn into a solid green light. Release the knob and turn it to the desired temperature to heat the water. To turn it off, turn the knob back to the off and lock position. Allow the remainder of the hot water to purge itself, then switch the unit off at the front. If you need more help with your hot water on demand unit, check out our troubleshooting video.
Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters waterproof waist bag and phone case, the perfect companions for your next trip out on the water. We've designed these for complete peace of mind on the go, with triple sealed water protection that also keeps out dust, sand, and grime. The secret to our waist bag is the 3 snapping seals, plus an outer Velcro layer, which is made with thick PVC for puncture resistance. Nothing is getting through this waist bag, and it's adjustable for most waist sizes and body types. The phone case comes standard with the waist bag and offers extreme durability and visibility with a dual locking system and clear viewing screen. When you're ready to head out on the water, simply place your valuables in the waist bag, seal it tight, then fold the top of the bag 3 times before using the Velcro seal. Tighten the waist strap around your hips for a comfortable and convenient experience. The phone case is just as easy. Simply roll over the 2 tab locks and pop open the case. Then slide any phone inside, up to 6.8 inches diagonal. Snap the top closed and roll the tab locks tight. Then you're ready to make a splash. You can even use your phone while it's inside to take photos or answer that text. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.